वेलकम टू एग्ज़ाम अड्डा। इस वीडियो में हम स्ट्रैटेजी का कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट। देखिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कुचिपुड़ी इज क्लासिकल डांस फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ आंसर आंध्र प्रदेश। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, भरतनाट्यम इज क्लासिकल डांस फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ आंसर तमिलनाडु। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ओनम इज द मेन फेस्टिवल ऑफ आंसर Kerala. Question number 4, Yakshagana is folk dance from of the state of answer Karnataka. देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम्स आंसर डॉक्टर होमी जे भाभा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, DRDO was formed in answer 1958. Question number 7, ISRO was established in answer 1969. Question number 8, who is known as the father of Indian space program answer Vikram Sarabhai. The question, next question, question number 9, when the first nuclear power station was set up answer 1969, place Tarapur, Maharashtra. Question number 10, in which state Kakrapara nuclear power plant is located answer Gujarat. Question number 11, the Indian satellite Aryabhatta was launched on answer 19 April 1975. Question number 12, Sriharikota Space Center is located at answer east coast of Andhra Pradesh. The question number 13, first Indian movie submitted for Oscar answer Mother India. Question number 14, the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Literature answer Rabindranath Tagore 1913. Question number 15, who was first Indian to win the Man Booker Prize answer Arundhati Roy. Question number 16, the God of Small Things written by answer Arundhati Roy. The question number 17, the United Nations Day is celebrated on answer 24th October. Question number 18, India became a member of the United Nations in answer 1945. Question number 19, the headquarters of International Labour Organization is situated at answer Geneva. याद रखिएगा एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था 1919. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ यूनेस्को इज सिचुएटेड एट आंसर पेरिस एंड एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था 1946. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, फर्स्ट ओलंपिक गेम्स वाज हेल्ड इन आंसर 776 BC. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, who was the first Indian player participating in Olympic answer Norman Pritchard. Okay, the question number 23, who was the first Indian to win the individual medal in Olympic answer KD Jadhav. Question number 24, the International Cricket Council ICC was formed in answer 1909. Question number 25, the headquarters of International Cricket Council is located in answer Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Question number 26, the Board of Control for Cricket in India BCCI was formed in answer 1927. Question number 27, the headquarters of FIFA answer Zurich, Switzerland. Question number 28, which country has won maximum number of World Cup titles in football answer Brazil. Question number 29. The national game of Malaysia is answer badminton. Question number 30. The national game of USA answer baseball. Question number 31. The number of players in the games of baseball are answer 9. Question number 32. The number of players in the games of water polo are answer 7. Question number 33. The national game of Brazil is answer football. Question number 34. Who is called as Flying Sikh of India? Answer Milkha Singh. Question number 35. Who is called as Golden Girl of India? Answer P.T. Usha. Question number 36. Durand Cup and Rovers Cup associated with? Answer football. Question number 37. Thomas Cup, Uber Cup and Narang Cup is associated with? Answer badminton. Question number 38. The headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization is situated at? Answer Rome and established was 1945. Question number 39. SAARC was founded in? Answer 1985 in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Question number 40. The headquarters of United Nations Environmental Programme UNEP is situated in? Answer Nairobi. Established was 1972. Question number 41. Kolingo Award is given in the field of? Answer science. Question number 42. Kolingo Award is given by? Answer UNESCO. Question number 43. The highest literary award of India is? Answer Jnanpith Award. Question number 44. Who was the first recipient of Jnanpith Awards? Answer G. Shankar Kuru. Question number 45. First woman recipient of Jnanpith Award? Answer Ashapurna Devi. Question number 46. The highest gallantry award of India? Answer Parambir Chakru. Question number 47. Who was the first Indian woman to win Miss Universe contest? Answer Sushmita Sen in 1994. Take the next question. Question number 48. In which year Bharat Ratna Award was established? Answer 1954. Question number 49. Who was the first non-Indian to receive Bharat Ratna? Answer Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question number 50. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for outstanding work in the field of? Answer literature and journalism. Question 51. Who was first Indian to win the Pulitzer Prize? Answer Govind Bihari Lal. किस क्षेत्र में? रिपोर्टिंग. ओके. Question 52. Pongal is main festival of? Answer Tamil Nadu. Question 53. Garba is folk dance from the state of? Answer Gujarat. Question number 54. Bhangra is folk dance from the state of? Answer Punjab. Question 55. Rope is folk dance from the state of? Answer Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 56. Bis Mial Khan related which instrument? Answer Shanai. Question number 57. Zakir Hossain is related to which instrument? Answer Tabla. Question 58. Hari Prasad Chaurasia is related to which instrument? Answer flute. Question 59. Which is oldest Indian language? Answer Tamil. Question number 60. First woman judge in Supreme Court? Answer Mira Sahib Fatima Baby. Question number 61. The first woman High Court judge? Answer Anna Kendi. Question number 62. The first woman Chief Justice of a High Court. Answer Leela Sheth. Question number 63. First woman Governor of State in a Free India. Answer Sarojini Naidu. Question number 64. National Defence Academy is situated. Answer Khadagbasla. কোথায়? পুনে. Located is Pune. Okay. 65. Integrated Guided Missiles Development Program was launched. Answer 1983. Question number 66. The headquarters of DRDO is situated. Answer New Delhi. Question number 67. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research was set up. Answer 1977 at Kalapakkam. Question number 68. Who is the author of the book My Truth? Answer Indira Gandhi. Question number 69. Who was the author of India of My Dreams? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 70. Who wrote the book Why Socialism? Answer Joy Prakash Narayan. Question number 71. Natya Shastra was written by? Answer Bharat Muni.